Hello and welcome friends. You are most welcome in our YouTube channel Pure Learn. Today we are going to cover a lecture upon the Shadows English summary. So let's start the video. This poem revolves around the poet and his beloved. In this poem, poet addressed his beloved and said, "Stand still and I will give you a lecture on the love." The poet said that we have spent these 3 hours walking here. In these 3 hours, we crushed our shadow of jealousy, and the separation between us ends. The poet takes several examples to show the love for his beloved, such as love between them grows, they didn't care about what people say. The poet further described and said, if our loves do not stay, then the separation will come between us and the love decrease as the time passes. And here the love is described as constantly growing and as light. The poet said that if we receive the betray or someone betrayed us, then the love remained for the least of time, or the duration of love will be least. So the conclusion is that we shouldn't keep jealousy to anyone and treat everyone with love, because if someone betrayed us, then the duration of love remains least. So friends, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thanks.